What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play with friends online in Battlefield 6. So if you're trying to play Battlefield 6 with your friends, yes, you can absolutely do that. When you're in any of the different modes, look up at the top and you'll see the lobby option. Go ahead and select it. Once you open the lobby, you'll notice there's a party leader and a few empty slots where you can add your friends. It's pretty simple, just press A or cross on PlayStation and you'll see your list of online friends. Of course, only a certain number of friends will show up here. If you wanna add someone new, press the right trigger on Xbox, R2 on PlayStation or tab key on PC. That will open the option to add friends who aren't already on your list. For example, if you met someone in a previous match, you can check your recently met section and invite them from there. Once you find who you wanna add, just press A or cross again. If you're on Xbox and your friend is on PlayStation, don't worry, crossplay works perfectly fine. As long as both of you have linked your EA accounts, you're good to go. When you wanna send a friend request, go into the friend request section. From there, you can search for their EA ID, add them, invite them into your game and start playing together. And that's all there is to it. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.